YouTube channel. In the last video, we were dealing with matrix multiplication, scalar multiplication. So in this video, we are going to be doing equality of matrices. Okay, firstly, the first thing, two matrices are equal if they have the same order or size. So remember, in addition and subtraction, we were dealing with the order. We had to determine the order first. In multiplication, we had to determine the order first. And here we had to determine the order first. So this tells us that the order of a matrix is very important. So two matrices are equal if they have the same order or size, but that is not all. Their corresponding elements of both matrices should be equal. So let's take an example. Let's have a matrix 1, 2, 3, and 4. So these two matrices are the same because their corresponding entries are the same. Here 1 and 1 the same, 2, 2 the same, 3, 3 the same, 4 and 4 the same. But there are some cases. If we have 1, 2, 3, and 4, and we have 1, 2, 4, and 3, these two matrices are not equal. Some of their corresponding entries are the same, but some are not the same. As long as there is even one case which is not the same, then the matrix is not equal. 1 and 1, yes, they are the same. These two are the same. These two are the same. But this is the problem. They are not the same. 3 is not equal to 4, and 4 is not equal to 3. That is our problem. They are not the same. So this already tells us that these two matrices are not equal. So these are for the corresponding elements. Now let's take the order of the matrix. If we have a matrix 1, 2, 3, and 4, and we have another matrix 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. These two matrices are not equal. Yes, this is the same as this. This is the same as this. But what about this one? It is also in this matrix. And remember, for matrices to be equal, they need to have the same order. What is the order of this first matrix? It's a 2 by 2 matrix. What is the order of the second matrix? It's a 2 by 3 matrix. The orders are not even the same. So the two matrices cannot be equal. This equality of matrices are used to solve some matrix problems. For example, we can be asked to state the values of x, y, and z if this is equal to this. Okay, so in this case, by equality of matrices, the corresponding elements are equal. So as long as, because the question has already given you that x, y, z is equal to 1, 2, and 3. So we have to state the values of x, y, and z. So here, by equality of matrices, we can simply say that x is equal to 1, y is equal to 2, and z is equal to 3. They are corresponding entries. These two are corresponding, these two correspond, and these two correspond. So that gives us the values of our x, y, and z. Okay, so let's take an example. Let's have these two matrices. Okay, this is the first matrix and we have a second matrix 5 s plus 5 4 minus 2 minus 2 10 2 1 and t plus 7. So this question says find the values of s and t. So the question has told us that this matrix is equal to this matrix. That therefore means their corresponding entries should be the same. So if these matrices are equal, then if these matrices are equal, 5 is the same as 5, yes. 0 should be the same as s plus 5. 4 should be equal to 4. Minus 2 equal to minus 2. 10 equal to 10. 1 equal to 1. Minus 2 equal to minus 2. 2 equal to 2. And minus 5 equal to t plus 7. So if these two matrices are equal, it should be as thus. Okay, but now the question says find the values of s and t. So to find these values of s and t, first, yes, the order of the matrices are the same. Yes, we have already been told that the matrices are equal. So we have to equate their corresponding entries. Here, 5 is clearly equal to 5. 0 equal to s plus 5. 0 equal to s plus 5. Now, we can clearly solve for the value of s in this case. So, we send this 5 this way. So, it's going to be s equal to 0 minus 5. So, here s is clearly equal to minus 5. So here we are just equating their entries because we have been told that the matrices are equal. So we simply equate their entries. So here minus 2 and minus 2, yes. 10 and 10, 1 and 1, minus 2, minus 2, 2 and 2. This is another case. We have to find t from there. So we can do the same. We simply solve for t in this equation because this is already an equation. So we need to solve for t in this equation. So we send this way. So you have t equal to minus 5 minus 7. So t is equal to minus 12. And that is that. So for equality of matrices, remember the matrices should have the same order and their entries should be corresponding entries. They should be the same. So that is all for equality of matrices. Thanks for watching this video and I'll see you guys in the next video.